All right, what's going on, guys? So to answer, this question here, it should pop up right here from Deshank973. What is better for a food delivery app? Is it Google Ads or Facebook ads? So in this case, I would rather see you run Google ads that are more targeted for your area. So like food delivery in blah, 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 or food delivery, near you, whatever those keywords would be for Google ads. And then as far as Facebook's going to drive you more awareness. It's going to build your Facebook pixel. It's going to allow you to get people inside your pipeline for retargeting, for, obviously conversion-based campaigns. But at the end of the day, I'd rather see you do App Store ads or, Google ads straight to the App Store where they can get food delivery. And you also want to have a good introductory offer. So are you giving free delivery on the first 5 orders? Are you giving people a certain discount? Also with food delivery apps, having good tiers for people to obviously not just spend money on your platform, but also, level up. So on Uber, there's silver, and then there's I think there's gold, and then there's platinum. There's different tiers to how you can benefit and obviously get more perks as you spend more money. So a little bit of things to think about. But yeah, I would probably start with Google ads for more local conversions, Facebook for awareness, and then as you get more people in your pipeline and more visitors and more traction, then you can go for more conversion-based campaigns right through Facebook and Instagram. And whenever you are releasing any type of food delivery app like this, you want to have a lot of followers, a lot of credibility. Really start pushing home social proof in your Facebook ads. And then, like I said, Google's going to be more localized so that you can hit the headlines right on the keywords like food delivery in, for example, Savannah, Georgia, or food delivery in Tampa, Florida, whatever the case may be. And then start building out your local SEO as well so that you can scale your business, not just on paid, but organic as well. So thanks again for the question, and I hope that really helped, and I'll chat with you soon. Thanks.